decide a good decision someone just made recently. A good decision someone made recently was my friend choosing to switch careers. She was working in a stressful corporate job that didn't make her happy. After some research and planning, she decided to pursue a career in graphic design, something she always had been passionate about. She took online courses, built a portfolio, and just landed her first freelancer project. This decision was great because now she felt more fulfilled, motivated, and balanced in life. It shows the power of following your interests and taking control of your happiness.